Hello and welcome to official Nintendo Magazine.co.uk. In the latest piece of hard-hitting investigative journalism that we do here at O&M, we're going to do a Dragon Quest drink taste test. Chris, if you'd like to explain what's going on here.
These drinks were released to commemorate the recent release of Dragon Quest 9.
And what flavours
The
have we got
flavours,
here?
this one is Frizz Tropical, based on the popular Frizz spell in Dragon Quest, which I believe is a fireball nail.
Okay.
This one worries me more. This is Heel Cider, which apparently is cider flavoured but not alcoholic.
Okay.
And it's based on the Heel spell.
Going to heal me, is it?
This one also has vitamin B6, so if you're pregnant, you may not be able to drink it.
Okay, well,
Bear that in mind.
I think I'm safe.
Okay, good.
Shall we? Smells of sugar.
I thought you were going to say something else there, which would have been more appropriate. It's quite a gloopy.
Smells of bubble gum.
It does, and it's got quite a gloopy consistency as well, although that may be the B6 kicking in.
Yeah.
Shall we make it?
Down the hatch?
3, 2, 1.
That's just a generic sweet drink, isn't it?
I don't know what it is. But it's against God.
I can see. That's not gone down well.
It's gone down.
It's okay. What would you give it? I'll give that.
I give it a rinse, and then
I'll give that a flat 70%.
yeah, 65. It tastes a bit like out of date Haribo sweets.
Yeah.
It actually does taste like you would imagine slime
it's got
would taste, because it is a bit.
It's got a bit of an aftertaste.
It's a bit slimy.
I'm not having too much. Definitely a more tropical bouquet.
Yeah, I'm interested to see how it dances on the palate.
Yeah. Fruity.
Oh, Jesus.
It's a lot fruitier. I would say, more like liquidized opal fruits or starburst if you're new school.
It tastes like the tears of demons. It's just horrible.
That's alright.
I like it. Fail. Yeah, do you want the rest?
No.
Yeah. Oh. No, that's against God.
Against God? That's the verdict from O&M. Thanks for watching.